Hello, everyone. Now you can also see me. This is a short promotional video uh, that I was asked to record to promote the tutorial that is associated with our symposium on challenges in materials and technologies for energy conversion, saving, and storage. Obviously, the themes of the symposium relate to energy materials, to the energy transition, to renewable energy technologies, in particular solar technologies and storage technologies. Whereas the tutorial is a lot broader and it's non-technical. It's called Survival Skills for Scientists. It basically um, it's basically a short version of a professional development course that I co-created about 22 years ago when I was in Canada at INRS. And as you can see here, the course notes essentially became a book that I co-authored with a colleague. The title of the book is the same as the title of the course and the tutorial and so on, Survival Skills for Scientists. The course, the book were quite successful. In fact, the book was also translated into Japanese. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so this is the Japanese version, at least the cover page. So there's obviously a version of my book that I'm unable to read. Anyway, jokes aside, so in this half day, about 4 hours, we will give you an overview of the challenges you are likely to face in the world of science, in the world of research in particular, the common pitfalls and how to avoid them, as well as how to secure a job, the type of jobs and careers, and how to choose uh, to to make an optimal choice for yourself, and obviously more detailed discussions about how to write a paper, how to give a talk, how to write a proposal. These are all aspects that are discussed. Obviously, in a 4 to 5 hour tutorial, we can only give you a sort of basic overview, but clearly we're available for discussion online and offline after the tutorial, so you can consider this as a sort of starting point of a journey which will span across your whole career if you decide to stay in science. And and we hope that the sort of insights and advice we give you can be useful to you, so that again you can optimize your choices and make the best of your skills and abilities, and most of all, have fun. We scientists, we're a very lucky category of humans because typically we're paid to do something we love to do. We're actually paid to do what's really our hobby. And so this is the most important thing you have to remember. It's a very tough and competitive job, but it is a lot of fun if you take it the right way. And so if you really like it the way most of us do, then it's entirely worth it. Okay, so hope to see many of you at this tutorial, and then also make sure you stay in touch afterwards.